اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Iqra with Iqra, Juz'a Amma, the second segment of today's show, second segment of you now reciting Surah Al-Inshiqaq. First segment went very well. 5 callers rang, read the Surah and Ijra up to verse number 8. The Ijra continues from verse number 9, and your recitation also continues from verse number 14 for the next caller till verse 25. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Gee, is that Alicia?
Yes.
How are you, Alicia?
Fine, alhamdulillah. How are you?
Yeah, I'm well, alhamdulillah. Jazakumullah. You 9?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in Shiqaq, you are going to read from verse number 14 till the end, yeah?
Okay.
Let's have it. When you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنه ظن أن لن يحور بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا فلا أقسم بالشفق والليل وما وسق والقمر إذا اتسق لتركبن طبقا عن طبق فما لهم لا يؤمنون وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون بل الذين كفروا يكذبون والله أعلم بما يوعون فبشرهم بعذاب عليم إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
Okay, good. Let's highlight verse number 9 for Alicia. وَيَنْقَلِبُ إِلَىٰ أَهْلِهِ مَسْرُورًا.
Wow has a tashdid, double letter, double sound. In young, there's no Iqfa, Noon Sakin.
Yeah, can you explain that Noon Sakin Ikhfa?
You after Noon Sakin, if there's an Iqfa letter, then you like merge it into your nose.
No, you don't merge it. After Noon Sakin, yeah? Here, after Noon Sakin is a Qaf. Qaf is an Ikhfa letter, yes?
Yeah.
So that Noon Sakin, you will hide it. You will hide the Noon Sakin by making a light nasal sound, i.e. a kamil ghunna. You cannot hear the sound of Noon, yeah?
Is it if any of the 15 letters?
Yes. So
come after a Noon Sakin or Tanween?
Yeah, and you make a light nasal sound by hiding the Noon, okay?
Yeah, for 2 to 3 second duration.
Yeah, carry on.
And Qaf is full mouth. There's a standing alif.
So why is Qaf full mouth?
Because it's a quality of isti'la.
Okay.
And there's mad munfasil. And there's ha has a sukoon, same with the rest of the floor.
Okay, why is a mad munfasil?
Because the hamza comes in the second word.
Yeah, so ila after the mad letter, which is in ila,
Yeah.
hamza is in the following word, yeah? Separated, okay?
And there's ha, there's a standing duster.
Uh-huh,
So you stretch two rows along.
uh-huh.
Must seen has a sukoon, doing with the letter before. In rule there's well mud, stretch two haraka long. So after there's tanween fatah, a noon sound and short sound. And there's we stop at the end of the ayah. So it becomes masroora.
Yeah, so when you stop on a tanween fatha,
Yeah.
you take away one fatha and you read the alif madda, and this mad is called maddul iwaz, yeah?
Okay.
Maddul iwaz.
Madul iwas.
Yeah, the substitute mad. You substitute a fatha, and for the two fatha, yes? And the alif madda is then read, and maddul iwaz, the ra are going to be full mouth in both places, masroora. Okay, lovely. Thank you, Alicia.
Can I show you?
Yeah, put her on.
Assalamu alaikum.
Well, salam, Aisha, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Oh, good. Are you 10?
I'm 11.
You're 11 now.
It was my birthday on Monday.
Oh, mashallah. So you've been 11, what, 2 days now?
Yeah.
Today's today's Wednesday, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, good, good, good. Anything, did you do anything? Was that your first day back at school or were you still off?
Yeah, birthday back.
First day back at school.
Yeah.
Inshallah, alhamdulillah. That's nice. Right, lovely. You're going to start from the beginning of Inshiqaq and up to verse number 13, okay? And Ijra verse number 10.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا السماء انشقت وأذنت لربها وحقت وإذا الأرض مدت وألقت ما فيها وتخلت وأذنت لربها وحقت يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك قدحا فملاقيه فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا
حسابا يسيرا
حسابا يسيرا وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره فسوف يدعو ثبورا ويصلى سعيرا إنه كان في أهله مسرورا.
Okay, lovely. Ayat number 10, please. Let's highlight it for Aisha. وَأَمَّا مَنْ أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ وَرَاءَ ظَهْرِهِ.
The meme has a shadda on it, so it is ghunna, the most complete ghunna, akmal ghunna. It's got a lift mud after it, so it's madrasi to be. The noon sakin is hard because it doesn't have any extra letters or it doesn't have any like the yarmaloon letters. And it doesn't have a bar after it. The waw is waw mud because it's got a dhamma before it, madrasi to be. The ta has standing fatah to haraka long. The ha has standing dhamma, mad sila surah.
Yeah.
The ra is full mouth because it's got fatah on it.
Yeah.
the mud after it is mud muttasil because the hamza is in the same word.
Yeah, as the mother letter.
Yeah.
Wara'a, yes.
And the ha has a sukoon doing with the letter before. And the ra is empty mouth because it's got a kasra on it.
Yeah.
And then the ha has standing kasra to haraka long.
Yeah, and dha is going to be full mouth because of the quality of isti'ala, yeah?
Yeah.
Wara'a dhahri. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you, Alicia Aisha. Good reading.
Jazakallah.
Wa iyyak. Next call. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Safa,
Yeah.
how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. Are you 8 or 9?
I'm 8.
You're 8.
Yeah, I'm gonna be 9.
You're going to be 9. Okay, lovely. You're going to continue from verse number 14, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا فلا أقسم بالشفق والليل وما وسق والقمر إذا اتسق لتركبن طبقا عن طبق
Yeah.
فما لهم لا يؤمنون وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون بل الذين كفروا يكذبون والله أعلم بما يؤمنون فبشرهم بعذاب أليم إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
Okay, good. Let's highlight verse number 11, please, for Safa. Verse number 11. Next verse, please.
Shall I explain the main rules?
Yeah.
Okay. Sin's got a fatha short, so wow's got a sukoon. This is a wow lead because it's got a fatha before it. Over here, with the dasakis, it's a kalkala, and it's a kalkala sugra because this is the middle of the sentence.
Yeah.
This is a wow bada because it's got a double before it. The alif is salif. This is a wow bada because it's got a double before it. This is but the evils.
Yeah, thubura, when you stop, is maddul iwad, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, wayasla. Next verse, please.
Okay.
Next verse, verse number 12.
The sa is...
The sad. No, the sad.
Sa.
No, it's not sad, the sad.
Sad has got a sukoon before letter join, and sad also a full letter quality of isti'ala.
Yeah.
This has got a standing fatha before letter. This has got a standing fatha 1 or 2 long. This is a yamada because it's got a gusta before it, and this is the evils. Because you have to put 1 fatha to the alif, and you have to give 1 to the ra.
Yeah, okay, lovely. Thank you so much, Safa, for reading Surah Inshiqaq. Speak to you soon. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Who's that?
Nina.
Nina. How are you, Nina?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
That's good. Are you 6 years of age?
Yes.
From Cardiff, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and now you're going to read Inshiqaq, okay?
Yeah.
From the beginning to verse number 13.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا السماء انشقت وأذنت لربها وحقت وإذا الأرض مدت وألقت ما فيها
ما فيها
وتخلت
Yeah.
وأذنت لربها وحقت يا أيها الإنسان إنا كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه
فأما أكمل غنى فأما
من أوتي كتابه بيمينه
Yeah.
فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا
Yeah.
وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا
Good.
وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره
Yeah.
فسوف يدعو ثبورا ويصلى سعيرا إنه كان في أهله مسرورا.
Okay, that's good. You're going to do Ijra verse number 13, this very verse. إنه كان في أهله مسرورا.
I've got a kasra short sound. Noon got a shut the double letter double sound, and noon is a akmal gonna. I've got a standama.
Yeah.
Make one alif long. I've got a man. Kaf got long column so brown hair. Kaf got a fatter short sound, and Kaf got a alif madda
It's madda after kaf alif madda, so it's madda asli tabi'i here.
Madda asli tabi'i.
Yeah, and innahu, I think what you're trying to say, the ha is madda sila sughra, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, noon's got a fatha short sound. Carry on. Fa
got a fatter short. Fa got a kasra short sound. Yeah, got a sakun before letter joint, and yeah is a mod letter because before letter got a kasra. Yeah, got a muntasil free. Munfasil
after the ya, there's hamza in the following verses. Madda munfasil, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alif got a fatter short sound. Ha got a
Has got a sukoon.
Has got a sukoon before letter joint. Lam got a kasra short sound. Ha got a stand alif.
Standing kasra, yeah?
Stand kasra. One alif long. Mim got a fatha short sound. Sin got a sakun before letter joined. Ra got a dhamma short sound. Waw got a sakun before letter joined. And wow is the mod letter because before letter got a dhamma. And Ra got a tanmeen fatha is noon sound and short sound, and Ra got a munda ibot. Take one alif and one fatha away and make one alif long, and Ra got a full mouth.
Yeah.
Because it's got a fatha and it's.
Okay, that wasn't bad, Nina. MashaAllah, that was good reading.
Sarah read.
Pardon?
Please can Sarah read?
Who?
Sarah.
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 Sarah. Okay, put Sarah on then. You ready, Sarah?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, from verse number 40. Next verse, please. Innahu. Let's highlight the verse. Innahu dhanna allan yahur. From there.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنه ظن
allan yahur.
ألن يهور
Yes.
إن ربه كان به بصيرا
MashaAllah.
لا أقسم بالشفق والليل وما وسق والقمر إذا اتسق لتركبن طبقا طبق فما لهم لا يؤمنون وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون بل الذين كفروا يكذبون والله أعلم بما يوعون فبشرهم بعذاب أليم إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
Okay, Sarah, that was very, very good, MashaAllah. Can we highlight verse number 14 for Sarah, please? Okay, innahu dhanna allan yahur. Can you do ijra? Do you think, Sarah?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Alif got the kasra short, so noon got the shadda, double letter, double sound, and noon is akmal gunna. How got the stand?
Yeah? It's madda sila surah, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you okay, Sarah? Sarah? Hey.
Temperature.
Pardon?
She have a temperature.
Oh, put her back on again. We'll do it just some other time. Put her back on. Let me speak to her. Let's take off the screen, please. Gee, Sarah, are you there?
Yeah.
You read that you got a temperature and you read that so well. And tell everyone how old you are.
5.
You're only 5, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yes, you're only 5 and Nina's only 6. And you both read like, mashallah, teenagers. You read so well. And the fact that you've got a temperature, you're 5 years of age, and you read in shiqaq the way you read it, mashallah, that's fantastic. You did ijra akmal ghunna. How many 5-year-olds out there knows the definition of an akmal ghunna, or a 6-year-old, mashallah, like the way you and Nina know? So, you know, it's good. You read well, and you don't have to do ijra. You get to well soon, inshallah. Get to be better, la basa tahura, inshallah. And hopefully tomorrow, if you feel better, definitely call in, and we'll read some Khatm al-Quran, okay?
Okay.
Good girl. Take care. Nina, 5 years of age, mashallah, and Nina, 6 years of age, and Sarah, 5 years of age from Cardiff. You heard the way those two sisters, mashallah, read. 2 girls. Fantastic. Really, really good. Allah give Sarah shifa. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Who's that?
Mariam.
Mariam. Is that Maria?
No, Mariam.
Mariam from where?
London.
Okay. How old are you, Mariam?
10.
Okay. And is this the first time you are calling?
Yes.
Okay. And how long have you been watching Iqra with Iqra?
Few months.
Few months. And how did you find out about it?
Good.
Now, how did you find out about the show? Did someone tell you?
No, my mom watched this channel, so she told me.
Your mom watches the channel, yeah? So you thought you might as well watch the channel as well. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's have in shiqaq, please. So you're going to read from the beginning of the first verse to verse number 13. Okay, Mariam?
Yeah, but do you know the definition? But I don't know that.
Okay, don't worry about that then. Let's just listen to the reading first, okay?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. إذا السماء انشقت وأذنت لربها وحقت وإذا الأرض مدت والقت ما فيها وتخلت وأذنت لربها وحقت يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره فسوف يدعو ثبورا ويصلى سعيرا إنه كان في أهله مسرورا.
Okay, Mariam, are you not able to do ijra? Do you not know the rules? Do you not know any rules?
No.
Nothing at all?
Just some.
Okay, well, let's highlight verse number 15. Let's see what you know. So, verse number 15, highlight it, please. Look here. Bala inna rabbahu kana bihi basira. Tell me whatever, rules you know. However many you know. However many you recognize, you can explain. What do you know in this verse?
Ba has a kasra with short sound.
Which one?
Ba.
Ba has a fatha.
Oh, fatha.
Yeah, the line on top is fatha, yeah?
Yeah.
Carry on.
And I don't know the next one.
Next letter is a lam, right?
Yeah.
What's on top of the lam?
Kari zabar.
Okay, or long fatha. You can call it a standing fatha, yes? So what's the rule for standing fatha?
To make it long?
Yes, it's going to be slightly long, isn't it, than the normal fatha, yeah? Yeah, normal fatha isn't long, it's a short vowel. Bala, and that long fatha is going to be long. That's why it's called a long fatha. And what's that on top of the lam, that wavy thing?
It's a mud.
It's a mud. Yeah, that's a wavy mud, a short mud, yeah? This is a wavy mud, it's a short mud. Got that?
Yeah.
What about the ya after the lam, bala, the ya?
I don't know that.
Ya is silent. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, inna, do you know anything in inna?
I'll try.
Go on.
Alif has a kasra, short sound.
Yeah.
And noon has a tashdid with joining.
So what's the rule for tashdid? Tashdid the rule is double letter, double sound, yeah?
Yeah.
Tashdid makes a double sound, like inna, in and na. Though there's only one noon written, Maryam, but you read two noons. You read how many noons?
Two.
Two noons, exactly. So inna. So the rule for tashdid is double letter, double sound. And because tashdid is on top of the noon, you're going to make a ghunna, the most complete akmal ghunna. Yeah? Okay, listen, Maryam, I think the best thing for you to do, though you read that okay-ish, yeah? And, maybe you don't know the rules of tajweed too well, right?
Yeah.
Do you know the rules of tajweed? I don't think you do know them very well. Huh? Do you know them, yes or no?
No.
Right, okay. So what I want you to do is let's you start off calling in Mondays and Tuesdays. Yeah? Mondays and Tuesdays, what's going to happen is they are easier lessons because, words come on the screen, single words, yeah? And you've got to read that word and explain every single sign that you see. And the more you do that, you get the hang of the rules and you understand the rules. So when you come to Juz' Amma, you find it very easily. You are able to apply those rules in the verses, yeah?
Yeah.
Can we do that, Mondays and Tuesdays for now?
Yeah.
Yeah? You can call me this, not tomorrow, Friday. You can call me Friday as well. Because Friday is vocal practicing, yes?
Okay.
All right, Maryam, you have a good day then, yeah? And I'll speak to you soon. Maryam, mashallah, first time caller. She's not able to do IQRA. IQRA is not everyone's cup of tea. Straight away, you need to practice. You need to call Mondays and Tuesdays first. Get used to IQRA. Understand it. Understand the letters. Understand the dots of the, on or below the letters. Understand the name of the signs. Get familiar the way they look, how they look, where they come. And be used to hearing the terms over and over again and the rules over and over again and their applications over and over again. Once you master that, all right, at least I would say 50, 60%, or maybe more, then you can afford to call in on a Wednesday and take part, because you will be at least applying something, better than not applying anything. So Mondays and Tuesdays for beginners, these are the ideal days for you to call. And the remaining days, watch, listen very carefully, and start writing down rules. Make notes. That's how you're going to progress. If you want to call in Wednesdays and Thursdays, you need to listen in on Wednesdays, Thursdays first before you can actually make that call. You know, alhamdulillah, people that call in on a Wednesday, they've been with Iqra for a number of years now, and they are confident with Juz' Amma. They read well. If there's any mistakes, of course, I take those mistakes out, and they are able to share the rules with you all. And that's what I want. You know, the caller, the people, the viewers, when calling in, right, you listen to them and you learn from them. That's the idea. That's the reason I make you explain to us all. I hope we can continue this, inshallah. After the break, however, we are going to move on to the translation. So do stay with Iqra, Juz' Amma, don't go anywhere. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم